Alright, y'all, we working on a Jeep Wrangler. To start, this is too much glue for a Jeep Wrangler. I had to work this corner here. Other than that, not bad. This is entirely too much glue for a Jeep Wrangler. It took me a long time to cut it out. I should have cut this glass out in 5 minutes. When they ran the glue too thick. Alright, here we are now. I got the pinch wheel all primed up. I got it all cut down to my liking. And what happened was, it was low here. It was tight here, loose there, loose over there. How you can avoid that is by placing these little setting blocks here. Placing these little setting blocks here, just like that. And I take one here like that. And I'm gonna stick the windshield in there. Problem solved. Alright, I got 4 of them. And put it around the whole vehicle. And what I'm thinking, I'm gonna run on the glass. I gotta do a back glass. And I'm gonna go in there and set it. Alright, so my setting blocks work. I set the setting block there, set the setting block there, so I got an even set all the way around, no gooage. Everything look good. Even set all the way around. No low side, no high side. Yeah, it's good.